I'm Mark Shoffner.
I'm Rebecca Herman. We are currently artists in residence at San Jose Museum of Quilts and Textiles. I would say I'm inspired by our social and political conflicts and how we navigate that and find feelings of security and also acknowledge kind of our vulnerabilities as a society.
I'm trying to find ways of processing what's going on, and developing it, putting it through some creative filter and seeing what comes out.
So this fall, we are showing our work at the museum, and we're also creating new work, including our air quality index hats, and made in reaction to our recent wildfires and battles with air quality.
And the hats will be, beautiful, nice to wear, and will also include like a sensor that will actually monitor and tell you information about the air quality around you.